This is OTD Cooking Hill on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, The Bass Reed.
Had to run. To be closed yet?
Yeah, I'm about to close. I'm gonna cement that off for you, Miss Gwen. I just had the whole new pipe, ran a whole new pipe. Tuck it over here. Came through here. Excuse me, Miss Gwen. Yes, and dug the whole line up. Actually, covering it back up. Had to put the pipe under the cement over here. Through over here. Going into the house. You know what I'm saying to you? Whole line was dead. Had to run a whole new line. OTD Cooking on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, The Bass Reed. Need electrical work done, call me too. I'm going to make another video. Let you see the inside when I'm done everything. Subscribe.